Indonaga Pinse Corner and the Master School of Payar Harry Subsaba Pire Kunaba, Kanglo Kudimaki with Mifamama, September Tarama and the Panko of the Harry. Amasung Lambda Masibu Sokat Punayama or Hena Bohana with the Lambda Masi the Lady Bamiam Amadi, Amatu in Punsin of Matotai and had Minister and Center Kumana Harry. Mayam Krumzeri Domi Bas Impact News KK Toxom Nozipungsasi Pawi Pau Sing Miam Pizeri. October Tada Warashin Purakani Hariba Indonaga Pisa Cordasina, Karigamba, Lamdamasi the Sokalapa, Yorok Labadi, Subsana Tenana Bakanglo Kuding Maki Mui Singna, Sub Yagata Mipamas, UCMna, Tas Gitaramapan, the Pangtokadori, in Kumzalisini, Amagi, Zuntarani Panda, Manipuri upon Masakam Ngak, Nabahona Bada, Tawai Kat Krabata, Tobi Singi, Kubam Weriba, Kakru Pata, Pangtopa, Langbal Haita, like Tabaki, Toram, the Usang Frosdin. Sunil Karamna, Wafamasi Pongo Kibani, Langbal Haita, like Tabaki, Toram Adu, Loraba Matong Pami Single Hangba Wahanga, Sunil Karamna Makatana. And yes, I'm Amadi, India Langak, Ani Marata Kuyak Pina Hokiba framework agreement, Kimanung the Yaukiba, Wafam Taratarunga Sipa, Wakangan and Lagli, Nagalangi Governor Oriba, Aren Ravina, Nagagi Warusinasi, October Tasi, the Proklakani Hina, Pongdoling a Selecta, and yes, I am not flag Amadi Constitution, not about a Wapam, the Yanabalade, Hina Pondo Kibalade, or really if you Masida, Manipur, Kundamina, Furup Sinamato in a Punsinduna, Subsana, Tina Bamatu Tabana Tasi, Taramapanda, Lamian Masani, and the Bipamasi, Kovani, Haiki. Taramada Saruyaki by Usangi, General Secretary Case at Hobana. India Langana, Awang no Pokta, Laminari Purup Singamarta, Lady Banusina, Lipula sit to Gaina by unique Naga history, Giwahayasi, Masak Kangduna, Purup Singamarta, Yangti Hanabohonari, Punamagasi, Kangna, Hanaki Mipamasida Miam, the Saruyaminas behind the Pongoroki.
Naga pitch a court, Warushi Lakumatanda, Manipur Prajapuna Yete, Makogi Warushi Lakumatanda, Akoi Punamaksu, Akoi Mazida, Akoi support Tawi, Tawudu. High peace talk as in a Yumtan railway station, Kariguma Makalamataki sang Tagadaba, ethnic line, the development Natraga, autonomy, provision, people and sing Wakal Sing Amati Yaro, Hanjana, Heidi, housing Mosukun, little lady.
Kundaminariba, Naga Sungai no Kuki Sungai Sino, Mete Panga Sungai Sino, Akoi Punama Punjela Kanda, Jad Manadaba, Adunglova, Mayang Levaki Sunglova, Akogi, Nampus Hasongi Adunglova, Makogi policy program, colonial attitude. Kerito wadung loba mogi dictates mayam se masi koi maithi pin na bidong ta joint approach apunba united ekoi mongoloid oiba koi stock punemak koi puru khurimak se jar khurimak se punjan minaraga india thengna ba khona minaba sida meitei na matam puno ta madu gi tanja du ngai dun lei hairi por sida koi punna thengna minasi haba appeal simasu ngasigi numida sigi tanja lorga mayang khon thamjari
Mioy Makatan Landamasi was Saukat Punayam at the Purapa Hibasi or Topanate, Saukat Pukunayam, Wayna Bohana Badalam Damasi Miam Amato in a Punsin Matotai Hand Minister El Zentukumana Hari. Of him saying as a minister Nakangla Western Gate K Ayusman Bharat Pakwara, how do Paki Taronga Mari Lane of Fongdoklam Kibani, State Health Agency Manipur and State Health Mission Manipur Masong Directorate of Health Services Manipur Nakusam Nadana. Namitara Mangani from the Satakatabatom, Asiga Mari Lane and Health Minister Center Kumana Makata Radon High. India Lenga K Ayusman Bharat scheme Masi at the Yatopa State Singa Sangam Narpamatamda State the Sina Quaidi Mokok Tangbangam Nabonasi, Miyangi Damak Lenga K and a Weskima Malakpada Kangdragadi. Logo Doriba Kanabadu Pangloi, Miam Naragela Matamdata, Kanglapagi Mahuta, Nadringaida, Kari Section Torang Sing Lokat Hawayabagi Habedu, Kangdok Hoba Matotai High
Penal or hospital Singjiga, Sarkarga, direct Anising Marak Maritamaga, Anab Changiba, Nare Hadana, hostel, inpatient labor, Kangushinda, when the better laying at the Marichangi Makli treatment course, medicine course, like using Masi Sakan and Lena Butopiba, but on Manga Mangola Baduga, Maribu Sagargana, Honorable Chief Minister Makata, my Maminda, Lokiba, CMST, and Haribal Lak, Anima Halibese, Asi Posima, Pasi Pekes Anisini, or Jokodi Yaurisi. The Haribasing Masi Sakana Tokjay had a Harigasu, Prajan Kambi Ragadi, Prajan Latria, or Tokaba, Adana, Prajakamian Plub, Kamina, Sea and Hibagi, Panamdanga Sisi, Ayusman Barat Pakora, 15 to 30th of September. 2019 Masida Ayusman Bharat Prime Minister na Loktoki be launch to be ama mapung phawagi madu makhar chathara program ni
Ziribam district su numit tara mangani sumna sata kata ba Yusman Bharat Pakwara ngasi digi hodokre District Health Society Ziribam na sinna hodokib campaign adugi sarokam moina miyam gi oiba khongsa na masu satke kongsa adu bawpara da leiba arke sanatam bidevi vidyalaya school gi ground digi horga Ziribam town da khiliba irabo the station tan tamna satke kongsa adu da mahiroi Ziribam police ki SP yauna police personnel sing angalwadi worker amadi Ziribam municipality ki member kaya na sarugya ki Matang sa break am logiki break matung da ngasi engineers day gamari lain na Prime Minister Narendra Modi na yaipa pause pirap ki pau madi Manipur masong maling tongan wi pau sing pudun lak sake peng ni suming tadun lebiu mayam mukana taram nau sare valetin sing makata pa pau mayam da pijari Prime Minister Narendra Modi na engineers sing na putorakpa polam sing asi yaw da miyoy ba haiba si kumang sausin magamlam loi haina engineers sing bo engineers day ga numit kamari lain na sing thakre Modi na mahaki Twitter da hai Engineers singi numit ki haraw phongdok lakli moksa gundam besasaraya gi bapok numit sing ningsing duna pangtholab engineers day numit ka mari lenena moksa gundam gi mafam dai kai khomna ba ulakli Yangkai ni therak suba engineers day observation day ga mari lenena Manipur Public Works Department Engineers Association Manipur Water Resources Engineers Association Power Engineers Service Association ki member singa Kumalampak Man Stadium ki koi bida sit sengme ki tharam pangthokre PWD ki civil engineer KSTM bayawna Works Power amadi Water Resource Department ki makok thongbo official kaya asu ngasigi social service kaya madun sarugya ke tharam adu mari laina Manipur Public Works Department Engineers Association Secretary Songtham Biswasandrana hai kibada ngasi September 15 si Bharat Ratna Sir Moksa Gundam Besasaraya ge chama yangkai mapan subam pokomoni loinana namida sibu ningsing duna India pumbada yangkai mapan sub engineers day haina palan tauri Manipur da sunamit palan sing saruk amoina tongan engineering department mi way amadi association sing na pundra social service ki thoram masi pangthokpani social service campaign ase yauna atopa social responsibility event kaya sei khudingi pangthokna basu khana balai haina secretary asina phongdokhi
Sumnagi akoi engineer na oiba yum saba thong saba koilas saba sidang na tana akoi gi jo atopa society ga lona tinana ba khara hen naksan na ba mayam gi public naksan na ba akoi social service camp se pangthok sabani social service tangi wana te akoi maramar blood donation camp awareness pi ba ade mayam public ki grievances ta ba engineering solutions mayam pi ba adum akoi association na matam gi oina paikhat chagani anta ki ahan ba oina akoi social service na akoi services ra gi mapok engineers de jida ana nauna paikhat sabani sima akoi ne si am Mijina kitang da orijo kumalnapak akoi Manipur gi oriba sports ki center jibo kitang da orijo sengbiba ngamra haiba adugi pandam da akoi na ngasi lakjabani ngasi dangi numit wana te akoi whole year marang marakta akoi adum social activity mayam kayam pangthok sakani
Edu City Impal Sindona class 1 ki 10 power da mahiru sigoi ba second star level mathematical wizard competition 2019 pangthok hiba da makong mathang tar basingdang simana mana yen thokre Imphal gi Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy da pangthok ki batharam da General Education Officer ZEO Zone 1 gi Suseta Komuksam Edu City gi Managing Director Victoria Konthokjam amadi Leverett College gi Associate Professor Soibam Robin na second star level mathematical wizard competition 2019 da makong mathang tarakraba mahiru singda mana pituna puning thawatki Lamdam asida sajaba Rani Phi Wangkai Phi Panek inat ki oiba polam singba ahong mamala makhal suna phanghan gadoriba Gera Made in Manipur haiba showroom amadi masiki website ama hangdokre Wangkai mehubam lampak manak talaiba showroom asi hamgi tharam aduk mari leinana Gera gi co-provider Mutum Rama Kantana haikibada Manipur da sajaba polam singa hangliba showroom asida makhal suna phanghana bohonagani loina ngasi hangdoliba www.madeinmanipur.com hariba website asigi portal da Manipur ki polam singa si thagatuna malengi miyamna pothok sing ase yohangani haiki
Made in Manipur gi makhasda Manipur da saba pothok every artisans handicraft fee loina mak yauraga akoina sigi pot se quality full maintain torga within the state and outside the state akoina lairiba section myam sigi marketing tawjaba ado tanja si laujaraga akoigi www.madeinmanipur.com hana sina mother website oraga Manipur da puthokpa every product khuting mak sigi portal sidagi akoina hojik more than 50 plus customers outside India da serve tawjagre and akoigi demand su yam ꯐꯖꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯀꯁꯇꯃꯔ ꯐꯤꯗꯕꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯡꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯩ ꯃꯩꯍꯧꯕꯝ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯒꯤꯔꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯖꯒꯦ
ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯕꯨꯂꯦꯇꯤꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯗꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯣ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ 14ꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯟꯊꯤꯜ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ